So I've been on the internet a lot lately. Course, and you know those videos that come up on your feed, the ones that are, you know, like the Buzzfeed, Tasty, Taste Made, or the 5-minute hacks, or those just quick videos that you see as you're scrolling down. There's this thing where there's a bunch of recipes using only 3 ingredients. Again, 3 ingredients. Like that, there's not a lot of recipes that are good that are only 3 ingredients long. And I've been making YouTube videos for a long time. If you've been watching me for a long time, a lot of my videos, a lot of my recipes require significantly more than 3 items. So today, guys, I'm gonna be testing out the internet's 3-item recipes today. Yeah! I am here to taste test to see, are these 3-item recipes really legit? Let's get it, let's go, guys. Let's count to
1, 2, 3.
Recipes only requiring 3 ingredients.
Three is a magic number. Yes, it is. It's a magic number.
So the first recipe I was scrolling is a cookie recipe. Peanut butter cookies are significantly easy. We got the peanut butter. An egg. So a 1/2 cup of sugar. 1 egg. Okay. Okay, so the recipe video shows them getting it with their hands and rolling it into a ball. It's a really sticky consistency, so I don't think I'm gonna use my hands. But I do have a handy dandy cookie scoop. And we're gonna take our fork, just like the video, and we're gonna do that classic peanut butter crisscross. Ah, these are so sticky! I don't like that. Oh, so like that. Oh God, these look terrible. So now we're gonna bake these in a 350 degree oven for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're golden brown. Yes, they're already golden brown, but you know what I mean. Okay, so the cookies just got out of the oven. We're gonna let them cool until they kind of stiffen, I guess. So on to the second recipe. My second 3-ingredient recipe are actually brownies. These are supposed to be fudgy, gooey brownies. And the first ingredient, everybody loves Nutella. And I know some people who don't love Nutella. If you're one of those people who does not like Nutella, do you also not really favor chocolate too, or is it just kind of that hazelnut taste that you don't like? Comment down below, what do you not like about Nutella? Because for me, Nutella's everything. But to be fair, I love nuts with chocolate, so this is just love in a jar. So the recipe calls for a 13-ounce jar of Nutella, which is actually this entire thing. Next, the second ingredient are some eggs. Mix it. Is a 1/2 cup of flour. Okay. There we go. That's our brownie batter. So here are the 3-ingredient Cookies, as you saw there, they're quite delicate. They smell delicious. I mean, overall they do hold their form if you're gentle with them. So let's give them a taste, shall we? Okay, so let's give these cookies a taste. They smell good. They smell like peanut butter. Spoiler alert. Let's try the one that I already broke. So the texture, it's very soft by the looks of it. They have a chewy consistency to them. Melts in your mouth, because this is literally just baked peanut butter, guys. Something that doesn't have leavener, doesn't have actual like butter in it, salt, vanilla, flour. This is actually quite excellent, but I give this an A+. 3 ingredient chocolate chip, 3 ingredient peanut butter cookie. A+, highly, highly recommend. I think this is too big. What does the instructions say? Just says, literally the instructions say transfer to a square baking dish. It doesn't say the size of the square baking dish. And this is a square baking dish. So, can I just bake it like that? Like, will you guys judge me if I just baked it like this? You know what? We're already cutting corners with the 3 ingredients. I'm gonna bake it like this. Gonna bake it for 15 minutes, just like this. It smells amazing. And I have to sit here and watch it for 5 minutes until it's a little cooled down until I cut it. You can see, I don't know if the camera is capturing it, but it has that like brownie, crinkly, wrinkly, you need hydration kind of skin on top. So that's how you know it's good. All right, moment of truth. Oh, maybe I undercooked it? Great job, Angela. You had one job. Ooh. I mean, some parts are gooier than others.
That's what she said.
I don't know if you guys can see, but it does have a fudginess to it, but kind of like a delicate cake consistency. So it breaks well. It's holding together. It's not like it's crumpling in my hand. So let's give it a try. A cakier, little fudgier brownie, but the cocoa taste isn't really that strong. You're getting the Nutella. You definitely get that. The hazelnut, so the back aftertaste, that's when you get the Nutella. Personally, I would like my brownies with a pack more cocoa flavor, a little pack more in depth. Also, another excellent recipe. Wow. And if you think about it, 3 ingredient recipes, you save money. You don't have to go out and buy all of these ingredients. You could just buy these 3 ingredients and you have this. Okay, so for our 3rd and final recipe, I need you to come with me. Let's go somewhere. We're taking this to the stovetop, guys. I have, what an angle this is. Okay, I have 5 cups of milk in a pot, and yes, I know, this is a wok. Please don't judge me. We got some macaroni. Cheese. Yes, yes, I am making 3 ingredient macaroni and cheese.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And again, I make macaroni and cheese all the time with like a butter and flour roux with multiple cheeses. That's how you make good macaroni and cheese, guys. You gotta make it with multiple different types of cheese. In this case, I'm only using 1 type of cheese, and it's extra sharp cheddar. And I am using no pepper, no nutmeg, no cayenne, so we'll see how this goes. I'll show you guys how to make this recipe. Okay, so for this recipe, you want to bring your milk to a boil, and since we're only using 3 ingredients, we can't cut the recipe. I know you want to use your fat-free milk, your 2%, your low-fat, your soy, whatever. We're using whole milk, and we're going to use a pound of macaroni, and we're going to put it right in there. And essentially, we're actually cooking the macaroni in the milk.
What?
So instead of boiling it separately in water, we're gonna cook it in the milk. And doesn't that look, this kind of looks like milk and cereal, doesn't it? Can you see that? The macaroni absorbed a lot of that milk. Ceremoniously, we're just gonna dump the cheese in there. All right, here we go. Three ingredient macaroni and cheese. It's creamy. The only thing I don't like about this is that you could already see the cheese separating. Since there isn't a roux that really homogenizes the cheese together, you could see it's like chunky. It's just separating, and it's not good. It smells good. So let's give it a try. Ha. Oh, wow, I don't like it. Wow, I don't like it. So the minute, I mean, this is straight out of the pan. Like, I put it in the pan, I put it in this, but the minute it removed from that pan, it's starting to curdle. Like, I don't know if it will focus on, yeah, I don't know if the camera is gonna pick it up on this, but trust me guys, like the milk and the cheese are like curdling. And it's not a good consistency. It's cheesy, but that's because we use cheese. That it is possible to cook with just 3 ingredients. Some recipes will be amazing and we'll return back to, and some recipes you'll be like, there's no way. But that's the beauty of cooking, trial and error. But this was really fun. Let me know if you want me to keep trying other videos like this. I love going on my Facebook app or my Instagram feed or my Tumblr or my Twitter and like seeing all of these like fun Buzzfeed, Tastemade, or etc. videos of how quick and easy cooking could be. And I love trying them and see, okay, is your recipe legit? So far I'm pretty impressed. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love the number 1, 2, 3, isa, dalawa, tatlo, ich, ni, san, the number 3, or well, just me. I'll catch you guys later. Take care.